BSP chief Mayawati today added to the woes of the ruling Congress party by launching a stinging criticism of the centre's policies and refusing to rule out the possibility of mid-term polls. But the Congress, which is already dealing with the criticism of another one of its willy allies, the Samajwadi Party, has chosen to downplay Mayawati's comments.
He's kept the UPA on edge for over a month now. Samajwadi Party chief Mulayam Singh openly criticizing the government's policies, praising opposition leaders, threatening to withdraw support. And now, another one of UPA's lifelines, the BSP, has compounded the headache for Congress, with Mayawati launching a stinging criticism of the government's policies.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की जो नीतियां रही हैं तो वो सही नहीं रही हैं, ज़्यादातर नीतियां जन विरोधी रही हैं और वीकर सेक्शन के मामले में तो हम बिल्कुल भी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की नीतियों से बिल्कुल सहमत नहीं हैं.
And the BSP Supremo not ruling out the possibility of general elections being held ahead of time.
इस तरीके के हालात चल रहे हैं इस समय, उससे तो ऐसा लगता है कि समय से पहले भी लोकसभा के आम चुनाव हो सकते हैं. हमारी पार्टी चुनाव के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार है.
It's a view that the BJP has endorsed.
Congress government is in office only on the basis of misuse of CBI. And now allies are also saying that. Supporting parties are also saying that.
But unlike with Mulayam Singh, Congress has chosen to downplay Mayawati's comment.
I mean, in politics, she has got every right to express her views. I would not like to comment on that. As far as the midterm poll are concerned, in my view, elections should take place as per schedule in 2014.
Two wily allies giving Congress the jitters, but judging from the ruling party's response, the BSP threat appears less potent than Mulayam's.
At the time when Samajwadi Party chief Mulayam Singh has upped the ante against the centre government, Mayawati's silence was being seen as a major relief for the Congress. But with BSP chief now joining in the anti-Congress, anti-centre rhetoric, crisis has only increased for the Congress, which has been losing its allies fast at the centre. Pranshu Mishra in Lucknow for Times Now.